Hey everyone, happy some number day of quarantine. I already lost count. Today we are going to be working on multi-step inequalities, which, not gonna lie, is one of my favorite things because I love algebra, and this is pretty close to algebra. So, for this first one, -2 times the quantity of x plus 2 minus 6 is less than 10. You could, for your first step, move this 6 over here, but I personally am going to wait because I like to move things all at once. But that's the beauty of algebra. If you did that first, that's totally okay. So I'm going to distribute this -2 first. So I end up with -2x minus 4 minus 6 is less than 10. I'm going to combine my like terms. So I get -2x minus 10 is less than 10. I'm going to add the 10 to both sides. Those cancel out. So I get -2x is less than 20. And remember that little weird rule about when you divide or multiply by a negative number, your inequality sign will flip directions. So now instead of a less than sign, we're going to have a greater than sign, and we're left with x is greater than -10. All right, for our second one, we have 8 is less than or equal to -2k minus 7 plus 5k. Now, we have to combine our like terms, so we have a -2k and a plus 5k. So you end up with 8 is less than or equal to 3k, because -2k plus 5k is 3k. And then bring down your minus 7. That was a little shaky. I'm going to add 7 to both sides. 8 plus 7 is 15, less than or equal to 3k. Divide by 3 on both sides, and you get 5 is less than or equal to k, or k is greater than or equal to 5. I like writing it with my variables first. That's good, quote-unquote, math grammar. But either way works. For our next problem, we have 6p minus 11 plus 2p is greater than 117. So again, I'm going to combine like terms first. And 6p plus 2p is 8p. Bring down the minus 11, greater than 117. Add 11 on both sides. We get 8p is greater than 128. Divide by 8 on both sides, and we get p is greater than 16. And for our last problem of today, we have -36 is greater than or equal to 6 times the quantity of 4 minus 2r plus 6r. I'm going to distribute first. So I'm left with 36 is greater than or equal to 24 minus 12r and then bring down the plus 6r. And negative 12r plus 6r is minus 6r. Going to subtract 24 on both sides. And I'm left with negative 60 is greater than or equal to negative 6r. Divide by negative 6 on both sides. Now again, we're dividing by a negative number, so we have to remember to flip our signs, our inequality sign. So negative 60 divided by 6 is 10. Flip our sign. And we're left with 10 is less than or equal to r, or r is greater than or equal to 10. And that's it for today.